Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of the background of your Instagram stories. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click the plus sign on the upper right. Then choose story. After that you should pick an image. I'm just going to pick this example image. As you can see, it automatically set the background to a color that is close to the color of the image I have selected, like some sort of gradient. But what if we want to change that color? So all we have to do is we need to press the squiggly line icon on the upper right. As you can see, it already has a bunch of colors we can choose from, and we can select a color from our image by just pressing the dropper icon and selecting what color we want from our image. So I'm just going to select this color, the blue of the ocean. After that, all we have to do is just press and hold on the background with that selected color, and it's going to change the color of the entire image to the color you selected. But that turned the entire screen into the color we selected. What if we still want the image we originally selected? So all you need to do is just press the sticker icon and scroll down until you find this add photo icon and add back the photo you originally selected, and you can move that around and scale it the way you want. So basically that's all there is to this. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.